Hey, 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 Nickie Brown here. No matter where you are, what part of the world you're in, I hope that you're having a good day. So, Ussens is fixing to make us some veggie burgers. um, in college, I took African American authors after the 1920s, and some of the literature that was written. They would use terms like Ussens. So when you hear me say something like that, um, I'm just paying homage to those writers. I also studied a lot of British literature, and so I know a lot of what the colonists wrote about in their journals and diaries when they came to the New World. So, anyway, if you hear me say something like swarthy, that just means like my skin tone. But anyway, we have us some Saint Pierre brioche buns. They are not vegan, and that is all right. We are not going to be vegan today. Well, kind of. We do have our Gardein Ultimate Plant-Based Burgers that we're using. And I've already put my burger on. I'm sure you already know how to make a burger. I'm just seasoning my burger. I'm going to toast my buns a little bit. Okay, and we're going to use our vegan mayo, Primal Kitchen ketchup. I did use a little garlic and herb and some salt. Salt to season my burger. And I put a little olive oil down in the pan. We're also going to add a little Dijon mustard. A little bit of raw onion, tomato, and avocado. Probably don't need mayo and avocado, but don't judge me. This is my burger. So. I stay getting distracted and burning something. All right, let me slice a few slices of my tomato. I think my burger's pretty done, so I'm gonna actually turn that off. And just cut a few slices of tomato, maybe like 3. Okay, and I'll put the rest in the Frigidaire. Then I have some onion. I just want a little onion. Sometimes I cook the onion, but I think I'm in the mood for some raw onion today. Okay, so now I'll take my avocado, and I like to cut it around the seed. pop it open. Okay. Then use a spoon to dig it out or scoop it out. And then I like to make slices. So let's see. So you can see what I'm doing. I just kind of cut some slices. And there we go. Make sure you take the part the seed was attached to off. Now, we're going to put some mayonnaise. Mayonnaise on our bun. And this is the top part of the bun. And I want mayonnaise on both sides. And mayonnaise is mayonnaise en español, for those who did not know that. Okay, and I didn't put as much on the bottom bun as I did the top bun. Now I'm gonna put a little bit of my Dijon mustard. Okay. Spray that out a little bit. I'm gonna take some of my ketchup and just put a little dab down. All right. Perfecto. Now, I'm gonna take my veggie burger that I made and put it on my bottom bun. My bun. Okay. Then I'm gonna put my onion. Let me move some stuff out the way. I do like to clean as I go, as I always say, if you've ever watched one of my cooking videos. That way I have less of a mess when I'm done. Okay, so we'll finish building our burger. I kind of wanted a little lettuce, but it's okay. Okay, now I'm gonna put down my tomato. And it looks like I only have enough room for 2, which is fine. I'm gonna put my avocado in here with my onion. And gonna get my lid and put my tomato in the Frigidaire. Oops. I dropped it. Still in the container, it didn't fall out. Put away my salt and my garlic. And I think I want to add some cilantro to my burger, just to give it a little extra kick. Now I'm going to put my avocado on my top part of my burger, or my bun rather. And then I'm gonna make my plate all pretty. Wipe off a little mayonnaise and avocado juice. And the cilantro flakes. Okay, I'm gonna put my cilantro away. And now I'm going to marry my top bun with my bottom bun. Doesn't that look great? Yes, it does. I need to take a picture. While you playing, before I cut it, I'm getting ready to take a picture. Boom. So I'm using my Android to take a picture, and then I'll upload with my other camera, upload the video on my other camera. So this will be the thumbnail. Okay. Now, I'm getting ready to cut this buttery bun, baby, in half. Wait a minute. Yummy. I'm gonna take a little bite. Oh. Mmm. That is so good. Taking a little bite. You know it's good when it's messy. Man overboard. It's a piece of onion down there. I'm gonna have to sweep him out. So delicious. I'm going to eat the other half off camera. But I thank you for watching. And thank you for the likes, comments, shares, subscribes, and donations. Love y'all. Later. Mwah.